Yes, good afternoon, students. I hope you are all fine. We'll begin within a minute or two, right? Let's wait for a few more students to join. Is my voice audible? I hope the sound of the fan is not creating any disturbance.
No, ma'am, the voice is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I hope you must have followed the news as well, right? So this Sunday we had the result for all the elections which were held. So we'll be discussing a bit about that today as well once we complete the topic about personality. All right, so I think we have good strength to begin for now, and I'm going to share the PPT. We were just left with few terms which I wanted to discuss, right, just for your knowledge. And also I hope the rest of the students were able to attempt that personality quiz. All right, so here we are. Thank you, Vijay. So we were discussing, once we had the results, so we discussed these various dimensions which were measured by the test, right? So we discussed who are introverts, which individuals are extroverts. Then some tend to go by what they see in front of their eyes or what they can sense, and some tend to follow their gut feeling most of the time, right? Then we discussed thinking versus feeling, which is basically head versus heart. That how do you decide to, how do you take most of your decision? Do you think from a logical point of view, or do you go by what you are feeling about it? Right? Then we also discussed perceiving versus judging. That is, some people have very vivid imagination, right? They're very creative, while others are more methodical, right? They go by the procedure. जैसे आप कह सकते हैं कि the people who are not necessarily but who are more fond of pure sciences, pure research, right? So उनका perspective different होगा, जो एक artist है उसका perspective different होगा, right? So these, all of us, we have all of these dimensions within us in different, you could say volume. ठीक है, so we tend to think of these as a spectrum, and yes, you might be more of an introvert or an extrovert. कोई ऐसे absolute terms में नहीं है कि you fall into one category only. All right. So moving further, I just wanted to discuss a few terms. So we did discuss, why personality assessment is required, why it helps you to know yourself better, right? अगर आपको पता है कि okay, this is what I am comfortable with, this is what I am not comfortable with, so accordingly you can, adjust yourself to the changing situation around you, to the changing environment around you. ठीक है, आपको फिर situation के according पता होगा कि okay, I am at times not comfortable with crowds. However, here I will make an effort to interact with others. ठीक है, अगर हमें अपनी जैसे वीकनेस पता होती है, इफ वी नो ना व्हाट मेक्स अस अनकंफर्टेबल, इट इज easier for us to work on the same, right? Moving further, we discussed, yes, this is actually the a very important point which I wanted to bring to your notice, that no matter जो हमारी ये discussion है, it is not about what characteristics are good or which characteristics are bad, right? So all of us, we are unique in our own ways. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि some characteristics are desirable and some are not. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है? These are, इसमें कोई ये value judgment associated नहीं है, right? The dimensions that we just discussed. It is all about how we manage ourselves in different situations, right? So our behavior decides कि कौन सा characteristic हमारे लिए good या bad होगा, ठीक है? So we are, and moreover, we are always growing as individuals. right? We are learning as we move ahead. It is important to be flexible and open to change. Yes, what is important is that you kind of stay flexible. No matter हम ऐसे होते हैं कि in some terms in some matters we are quite rigid कि नहीं ये चीज अगर ऐसे है तो ऐसे ही होगी, right? In case you notice ever the clashes which you have with your parents or with your elders, what are they usually about? Your parents want things to be done a particular way, whereas you have your own perspective about it. Just imagine if we were flexible in those discussions, तो हमारी कभी लड़ाई होगी नहीं अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ, राइट? सो थोड़ा सा वो फ्लेक्सिबल हो जाएंगे, थोड़ा सा हम उनकी बात सुन लेंगे, so we can always reach a middle path, right? अब जैसे घर में तो no doubt we are with our family, we can have arguments, we get back together, it gets resolved. However, you cannot do that in a professional environment, right? So there you will have to be flexible, you will have to learn how to adapt. कई बार हो सकता है कि what you believe in very firmly, things might not happen that way, right? So how do we manage it all? That we try to be open to change. Yes, that yes, let's make the most of whatever situation there is, right? Then personality development, you might have heard of this term, right? अब इधर तो हमने जो पर्सनैलिटी की सारी डिस्कशन की उससे हमें पता चलता है कि these are relatively stable characteristics. However, in this term, this is a bit slightly different from the psychological term, right? तो इसमें it is more about your soft skills, how you connect with others, and whether you are good at what you do. So इसमें क्या आ जाएगा? In case you have heard of personality development classes, right? That is also the aim of this course that you have, right? It is mentorship and professional development, so it also includes your personality all round development, right? So here we will be working on your soft skills, that is how well you talk with others, your communication skills, right? Whether you know how to talk with your colleagues, your juniors, your seniors. Then connecting with others, right? In a professional environment, at times you will have to be the leader, at times you have to be the team worker, right? At times you are in a subordinate position as well. So the who are the ones who are most successful are able to transition between these roles seamlessly. ठीक है, अगर no doubt some of us might have that dominating streak in us, but वहाँ पे when you are supposed to work in a team, you cannot always be you cannot always dominate others around you. You have to coordinate, right? You have to listen to them, you may present your own point of view. Similarly, if you are coordinating with your senior, अब आप अपने senior के सामने वो ऐसे authoritative नहीं बन सकते, right? So there has to be a different behavior, a different code of conduct. So this is what we tell you in personality development, that how to speak, how to communicate, right? So all these things are part of personality development. How you present yourself, right? How well you, how seriously, how disciplined you are in completing your tasks, right? Okay, so this was just, I wanted to introduce this term so that you don't get confused between personality development and the whole discussion about personality we just had, right? Then there were these few related terms which I wanted to discuss. आपने ये notice किया होगा in our in our discussions about social media behavior, right? In our discussions about how people are on, let's say, even in the society. So क्या behavior है? Why some people they put a lot of stories, a lot of posts, right? Some people are not so keen on using social media, Instagram or Facebook. ठीक है, तो वहां पे कई बार बात ना आपने इसकी भी सुनी होगी, सेल्फ esteem. You might have come across this word, self image, right? Then these are also self control is quite self explanatory term, self regulation, then self efficacy. These terms are otherwise also important in our life. How? We'll just take a look at these terms one by one, right? So talking about self esteem. Now self esteem is what value judgment you have about yourself. कि आप अपने आप को कैसे व्यू करते हो, okay, what do you think about yourself as an individual, right? Do you think, okay, are you confident, are you at that place you would like to be? ठीक है, सबकी हमारी एक होती है आइडियल इमेज, जो हम करना चाहते हैं, जो हम बनना चाहते हैं. Then we know the reality also, like your ideal image might be that, okay, you need six pack abs, okay, just I'm giving you a very random example. Now the real thing might be, okay, maybe you are slightly overweight, तो आपकी आइडियल इमेज वो है, अभी रियलिटी ये है. ठीक है, तो कई बार क्या होता है, अगर इसमें ज्यादा डिफरेंस हो, या इट्स नॉट इवन अबाउट ज्यादा डिफरेंस, इट्स अबाउट हाउ ओके यू आर विद व्हाट इज द रियलिटी. उसके बेसिस पे आप खुद को कितना जज करते हो कि इज इट फाइन, or do you always feel that no, I should be losing more weight, I should be doing this, I should be doing that, right? So all this leads to the development of your self esteem. That is, what is your view about yourself, right? अब आपने ये टर्म सुनी होगी, लो सेल्फ esteem, that people with low self esteem, they tend to do this, they tend to do that. अब लो सेल्फ esteem is when you don't have a very favorable opinion about yourself. ठीक है, इसको आप सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस से भी लिंक कर सकते हैं. देन ऑल्सो दैट अगर आपका अपने बारे में व्यू ही इतना अच्छा नहीं है, यू माइट बी इंटरनली थिंकिंग अबाउट क्रिटिसाइजिंग योर ओन सेल्फ, दैट मेरे से ऐसे क्यों नहीं होता, व्हाई डोंट आई डू दिस, व्हाई डोंट आई कंप्लीट टास्क ऑन टाइम, व्हाई डोंट आई फॉलो दिस शेड्यूल विच आई प्लान टू, राइट? सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स दे आर a reason of low self-esteem, and they also lead to low self-esteem, right? So always try to build a positive view about yourself, accept yourself as you are. ठीक है, no matter हम में सब में हम में faults होते हैं, we have some shortcomings, but we also have some good qualities, right? And we should be focusing on the good qualities, and if the faults are really bugging you, then you should try to work on them rather than beating yourself up for having those faults, राइट? जैसे आपने सुना होगा कि कईयों का अपने बारे में व्यू, इवन इफ दे आर लेट्स से वेरी वेल बिल्ट विद इन द हेल्दी वेट रेंज, स्टिल दे वुड फील कि नो, वी आर ओवरवेट. ठीक है, आप नॉट जस्ट इन गर्ल्स, दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू फॉर बॉयज, दैट देन दे वुड ट्राई टू फॉलो दीज क्रैश डाइट्स और फैट डाइट्स जस्ट बिकॉज उन्हें लगता है कि वो ओवरवेट है, चाहे इन ऑब्जेक्टिव टर्म्स, इन मेडिकल टर्म्स दे आर इन द परफेक्ट रेंज, right? So this is also linked to when you have a low self-esteem, right? I hope this concept is clear. I just wanted to introduce this so that whenever there are these discussions, you might even use this concept in group discussion of a related topic. Okay, so there it would be clear that okay, you know this word and you know what this word stands for, right? Then a similar term is self-concept. Self-concept is again your view about yourself. However, it is not a positive or a negative view. It is simply कि आप अपने बारे में क्या सोचते हो. जैसे सेल्फ इस्टीम में तो इट इज वैल्यू जजमेंट, हाउ गुड और हाउ बैड यू आर. ठीक है, सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट इज के सिंपली व्हाट डू यू थिंक ऑफ योरसेल्फ. जैसे इसका जो टेस्ट भी होता है ना, इट हैज क्वेश्चंस लाइक व्हाट डू यू थिंक ऑफ योर एथलेटिक एबिलिटी, व्हाट डू यू थिंक ऑफ योर एप्टीट्यूड इन मैथ, व्हाट डू यू थिंक ऑफ योर होल्ड ऑन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. तो उसमें इट इज वेरी सिंपल, ऐसे ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस आर देयर एंड यू आर सपोज टू टेल व्हाट डू यू फील, दैट इज इट ओके, इज इट बैड, और इज इट गुड, और इज इट एक्सीलेंट, राइट? तो उन टर्म्स में फिर आपका मेजर होता है कि ओके, आपका इन एथलेटिक टर्म्स क्या है सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट, इन लेट्स से फिजिकल लुक्स में आपका क्या सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट है, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अगेन समथिंग लिंक टू इन केस यू हैव अ पुअर सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट. Again, all those things which are linked to low self-esteem, that you would feel less confident, you would feel like you have to do more, you would always be kind of disturbed in your mind, right? थोड़ा सा आपको mental peace नहीं होगा कि आपको होगा कि नहीं, I have to be better than this. It is always good to have ambitions, to have goals and try to outdo yourself. बट एक जो आप उसी चक्कर में ही रह जाते हो ना, एंड आप उसी के बारे में ओवर थिंक करते हो कि आप कोई एक्शन ही नहीं ले पाते टू चेंज दैट सिचुएशन, दैट इज what is not healthy, right? Then I told you the concept of self image already, that is what you think of yourself, right? आपकी अपने बारे में क्या self image है, that would be the मतलब what picture you have of yourself, that is the idea of self image. All right, okay, so I just give me a minute here. So I think I'd accidentally just deleted that slide. So I made the amends and I will be sharing the screen again. All right. Yes, so we were discussing self-image, right? So self-image is again your image about yourself. ठीक है, आप खुद को कैसे व्यू करते हो, right? Then we have these concepts of self-efficacy, self-control and self-regulation, right? So self-control is basically, how disciplined you are. It's in very simple terms, it is how, well you control your desires. Desires in the sense, okay, आपको new phone चाहिए, right? कि जैसे मर्जी new phone चाहिए. Now some people are, what they would think, okay, let me save money for it. I'll save some pocket money and I'll ask my parents to pitch in, and this way I can maybe get a new phone in 3 to 4 months from now. Some people are कि नहीं अभी चाहिए, I just want it now. I've seen this new phone, I want it right away. So they would just do anything to get the phone right there and then, right? So इसमें क्या है? There is a difference of self control. No doubt we all of us feel like doing something, right? कुछ किसी का कुछ लेने का मन करता है या जो भी है. But we have different ways of achieving those things, different ways of getting those things. Some people are very impulsive, whereas some are patient, and they go by, procedure that, all right, fine, I'll wait, I'll save money, and then I can buy. So here, this is a matter of self-control, how much control you have on yourself, right? Then self-regulation is again a related concept. It means basically कि आप अपना बिहेवियर कितना रेगुलेट करते हो, राइट? आप अपने लिए ही एक टीचर हो या मॉनिटर हो, कीपिंग अ चेक ऑन योर ओन बिहेवियर कि ओके मैंने ये गलत किया था, आई डिड दिस करेक्टली, आई शुड नॉट हैव डन दिस. जो एक ये वाली हमारे में एक कॉन्वर्सेशन चल रही होती है ना, even if we might not acknowledge it, but yes, we know it is always taking place in our mind. So this is a matter of self-regulation. Then we have the concept of self-efficacy. Now this is again a very important concept. How? Self-efficacy basically means how much do you think the events in your life taking place are within your control, right? So कईयों को होता है, you might have heard that they are always talking about कि no, ये तो किस्मत है, this is fate, this had to happen this way, right? So whenever something happens, they are going to ascribe it to, fate, kismat, and similar concepts, right? कि let's say my stars are going bad this time, कुछ भी ऐसा, ठीक है? But some people, they take responsibility for the actions कि okay, if I scored less, that is probably because I did not attempt the exam well, or I did not study well. ठीक है? वो ये नहीं कहेंगे कि हमारी चेकिंग बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट हुई या उस दिन ही बहुत खराब था, ठीक है, आई वॉजंट फीलिंग वेल, आई कुडंट अटेम्प्ट द पेपर. सो नो डाउट it is not always that we go with a single approach, right? There is a mixture of both, but however आप ज़्यादा कौन सी approach लेते हो? That you think the things are within your control, or do you believe that no, they are decided by fate and similar more concepts, ठीक है? So that is the concept of self-efficacy, right? How much do you think you are self-efficient, right? So these were the concepts I wanted to discuss about personality, right? I thought these terms should also be introduced. It might help you in, writing and or even in our group discussions, right? क्योंकि आजकल जैसे आपने नोटिस किया होगा, मेंटल हेल्थ की कॉन्वर्सेशन काफी ज्यादा हो रही है, right? COVID pandemic, it brought forth this realization that mental health, the issue of mental health largely remains ignored. ठीक है? So once the pandemic began, the nationwide lockdown was there. So many people were stranded, on their own, and not even them, even the rest of the people staying with their families. A lot of them, with all this negative news coming in, they used to feel very negative, or they used to feel anxious. ठीक है? आपने ये term सुनी होगी, panic attacks, depression, anxiety, right? ये सारा कुछ कोविड से बहुत इंक्रीज हो गया. एंड देन वी ऑल्सो रियलाइज हाउ देयर इज नो सपोर्ट अवेलेबल फॉर दिस, राइट? इंडिया में तो मेंटल हेल्थ का टॉपिक इज स्टिल कंसिडर्ड टैबू. So I want कि आपको ये terms, I will keep introducing such terms so that you are comfortable with them, you know their meaning, you know what they stand for, and you are also able to use them in your group discussions or whenever you are writing something where you feel these fit in. All right? So that was all for personality. Anything you might want to discuss or ask, you are most welcome. हाँ जी बच्चे, एनीथिंग जो आपको क्लियर नहीं हुआ, यू वुड वांट मी टू रिपीट, राइट? कुछ आप अपना, आपने वो जो ये वाला टेस्ट किया था, इसके आपने कुछ रिजल्ट्स का पूछना है या डिस्कस करना है? Yes, I hope everything was clear and it wasn't too technical, right? It wasn't, ऐसा तो नहीं लगा कि ये कुछ और ही हमने मतलब मैम कुछ और ही पढ़ा रहे हैं और something like that. Yes बच्चे?
No, ma'am.
right? So it was good. And were you all able to attempt the test I had shared, the link?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ठीक है, वो कोई इशू तो नहीं आया while moving to the next page, like you were telling me?
No, ma'am.
No,
All
ma'am.
right. So were the results accurate? Like, did they match with
No,
what you had
ma'am.
expected? Yes, Pacha. What about the results?
Something matching.
Okay, somewhat it was matching, somewhat it might not be matching, right? So yes,
Yes,
that is
ma'am.
how most of the tests are. कभी ऐसा नहीं हमें लगेगा कि कि oh my god, this was completely 100% me. थोड़ा सा हमें वो लगता है कि नहीं, this is maybe I am not like this. ठीक है, so a lot of factors are dependent how you attempted, right? How calm the environment was. We won't go into all those details, right? So I wanted to move to the discussion of current affairs for the week, since we had the results of the election. So I thought we have a lot of interesting, stuff to discuss about. So first of all, let's talk about the elections, right? The Vidhan Sabha elections. So did you guys follow the results? Second May को announce हुए थे?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी. So who won in West Bengal?
Yes, ma'am.
West Bengal में which party won the election?
Ma'am, Trinamool Congress.
Trinamool Congress, all right. And who is going to be the CM now? The Chief Minister?
Mamta Banerjee.
Yes, Mamta Banerjee, and I think she's taking oath for the third time, right? Third consecutive term.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope rest of the students also take interest in the news. Vishal, Sushant, did you follow the news? Hanji बच्चे, Sudhanshu, Karan, Gurpreet. All right, so who would tell me कि असम के elections के क्या result रहे हैं?
Ma'am, BJP wons.
Okay, yes. So BJP won and it retained power, right? So it was already in power there. ठीक है, and उसी की ही फिर से सरकार अब आ रही है. What about Kerala? हाँ जी बच्चे. So you must have read it somewhere. Kerala का कुछ थोड़ा वहाँ पे तो record breaking भी हुआ है. The results were kind of unexpected in a way. हाँ जी बच्चे, anyone? Yes, Gurpreet, Vishal Kumar, Sonali. Any idea? कुछ तो idea होगा कि follow ही नहीं किया. I know West Bengal was more into news because of all the violence that had taken place and that Modi versus Mamta Banerjee debate, right? So in Kerala, the ruling party has come back to power, right? It is LDS
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the party's name. And what was it, what was surprising about the result is that since the past 40 years, केरला में हमेशा गवर्नमेंट चेंज हुई है, राइट? ऑल्टरनेट पार्टीज या कुछ भी, हमेशा किसी की कंसेक्टिव टर्म नहीं आई थी, बट दिस टाइम आफ्टर 40 years द सेम गवर्नमेंट हैज रिटेन्ड पावर, राइट? तो ये काफी सरप्राइजिंग होता है. इवन इन पंजाब, इफ यू माइट हैव, मतलब आपको याद होगा, बिफोर द करंट गवर्नमेंट, अभी जैसे कांग्रेस चल रही, तो इससे पहले अकाली बीजेपी अलायंस की 2 कंसेक्टिव गवर्नमेंट आई थी. एंड देन इवन इन पंजाब देयर वाज दिस होल न्यूज के फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसे हुआ कि सेम पार्टी हैज रिटेन्ड पावर, द सेम अलायंस हैज रिटेन्ड पावर, राइट? नहीं तो यूजुअली पीपल दे वोट आउट द पार्टी. एंड ये काफी स्टेट्स में यही पैटर्न चलता है कि ऑल्टरनेट करते रहते हैं. ठीक है, so yes, in Kerala, and Kerala may you might have heard about Metro Man of India, right? He was a BJP candidate. Did you read that news? That was काफी ज़्यादा news में आया था उसका भी. Anyway, so moving further, Tamil Nadu में, yes, we have had a change of party. So now DMK alliance has come back to power, right? And MK Stalin is their chief. So he will most likely be the chief minister. And talking about Puducherry, the BJP has come to power again, right? Their alliance, not BJP as such, but the alliance. And Assam में तो उन्होंने चलो retain कर ही लिया. So here, what was the idea of discussing it? I wanted to discuss one term, anti-incumbency. आपने ये सुनी होगी, जो हमारी ये इलेक्शंस एंड रिजल्ट्स की होती है ना डिस्कशन, इसमें तो ये वाली टर्म हमेशा दिखती है. आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग इट हियर फॉर यू. So any of you who has any idea what this term means? हाँ जी बच्चे. Yes, so any idea about, थोड़ा vague idea होगा आपको?
No, ma'am.
No? So okay, incumbent जो होते हैं ना, that is जो current government है या जो currently office में है, ठीक है? We call them incumbent. Someone who's currently holding the office. It could be we can refer to the political party or a particular person also who is holding a particular office. As somebody is the president of some council or something like that. So that is currently holding जो office holder है, ठीक है, उसको हम कहते हैं incumbent. I'll just type it here for you. And एंटी इनकम्बेंसी इज कि जो करंट गवर्नमेंट है उसके अगेंस्ट वोट करना, ठीक है, उसको पावर से निकाल देना. दैट इज एंटी इनकम्बेंसी सेंटीमेंट. ये आपने ये भी टर्म पढ़ी होगी, एंटी इनकम्बेंसी वर्क्स इन दिस पार्टीज फेवर, राइट. सो दिस वर्क इन डीएमके फेवर, क्योंकि दूसरी गवर्नमेंट को पीपल वोटेड द अदर गवर्नमेंट आउट जो करंटली होल्ड कर रही थी पावर, एंड डिफरेंट पार्टी हैज कम टू पावर नाउ. Right, so this term is also very talked about in terms of elections, political parties, election campaigning. कि overall voters में क्या sentiment है? We have a lot of exit polls, right? Poll हमारे opinions बहुत आते हैं कि what are the voters usually thinking. ठीक है, तो अभी आपने अभी भी देखा होगा in the run up to these विधानसभा इलेक्शन, तो हमारे न्यूज चैनल पे तो और कुछ चल ही नहीं रहा था, राइट. दिस वॉज द न्यूज, एवरीबडी वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट के वोटिंग क्या सेंटिमेंट चल रहा है, व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड, विच पार्टी इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू गेट व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ नंबर ऑफ सीट्स और सीट शेयर. तो उसमें ये वाली टर्म काफी यूज होती है, राइट. सो आई होप दिस टर्म इज ऑल्सो क्लियर टू यू नाउ, एंड whenever there is a need in group discussion in your essays, you can always use this term, right. So just to explain ke the people were kind of tang aa chuke the government se, so this is a scientific sounding term for the same, right, that sentiment. All right, so moving further, we'll just discuss a few current affairs. I just collected जो मेरे को 2-3 क्वेश्चन लगे थे काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है, which should be discussed, right. So tell me if you know the answers. हाँ जी. Yes, Achhay. So could you tell me the answer to the first question, that is which e-learning platform has been featured in Time Magazine's 2021 list of 100 most influential companies? Yes, any idea? So the
Ma'am,
options
Byju's.
are, okay, so Arvind goes for the
Ma'am,
option D. हाँ जी, Byju's.
ma'am, toppers,
Okay, so Sushant says it might be Topper, right? Any other opinion?
Byju's.
विशाल also says Byju's. ठीक है, so इसका आंसर हम चेक कर लेते हैं. So first let's discuss the second one. Where will ICC World Test Championship final take place? हाँ जी बच्चे. Any idea? Do we have any cricket fans here? Yes, anybody fond of cricket? Yes, nobody? हाँ जी बच्चे, I'm sure you must be fond of cricket. All right, so let's check the answer for a second. Anyone who wants to guess just like that randomly? कोई भी ABCD pick कर लो.
B.
Okay, so you would go with B. Anybody else?
Ma'am,
Ma'am D.
unacademy. Unacademy.
Ma'am D.
Okay.
Lords.
Okay, so we have for B and for D, right? And either we have for Unacademy, Topper and Byju's. All right, so हम check कर लेते हैं. So the answer for the first is Byju's, that two Indian firms, that is Reliance Jio Platforms and e-learning startup Byju's, have been featured in Time Magazine's 2021 list of 100 most influential companies. Right, the Time Magazine mentioned on its website that the companies shaping the future are at the heart of the first ever Time 100 most influential companies. Right, so Time Magazine के ना ऐसे काफी होते रहते हैं surveys and lists आती रहती हैं. And this magazine is very well reputed, right, in terms of journalism, in terms of news reporting, right, in terms of forming opinions in the public, right. इसीलिए it is काफी पुरानी भी magazine है ये. तो आपने अभी उसका भी देखा होगा कि इंडिया के कोविड क्राइसिस का भी टाइम मैगजीन पे फीचर हुआ है. कवर मतलब कवर स्टोरी वाज अबाउट इंडियाज कोविड क्राइसिस, right? And why that is such a big thing? Because this magazine is very well reputed. So अगर इसमें cover हो रही है कोई चीज, that means it is a big deal, right? No doubt Indian government has different reactions to the same. However, आपने इनका और भी सुना होगा Time Person of the Year, right? They always pick a person of the year for every year, right? So that also means that this person made some impact in the year which went by, right? So this was about this question. Now let's take a look at the next one. So the answer is Hampshire Bowl. It is the ICC World Test Championship Final 2021 is scheduled to take place at this place in Southampton from June 18th to 23, which also includes the reserve day, and it is also called the Rose Bowl or Ageas Bowl, right? So जो बाकी भी options है ना, they are all in England. Lords, the Oval, right? So moving further, let's discuss another question. So what is the name of China's first Mars rover? Hanji, any idea? Now you would say all these names sound Chinese, like they're words of the Mandarin language, right? But you might have read this in news somewhere. क्योंकि मार्स वाले जो भी मिशन होते हैं, दे आर रादर ऑल अपने जो हमारे होते हैं स्पेस मिशन, दे आर ऑलवेज टॉक्ड अबाउट, राइट? यू माइट हैव हर्ड ऑफ इलॉन मस्क कंपनी, right? You might have heard of other companies as well. You must be familiar with various space organizations जो हैं हर एक country की space agencies हैं, right? So अभी चाइना का फर्स्ट मिशन प्लान हो रहा है and it is already underway, मार्स रोवर. तो उसका नेम क्या है? चलो कोई भी गेस मार दो, नो प्रॉब्लम. हो सकता है दिस न्यूज माइट नॉट हैव बीन दैट एक्टिवली रिपोर्टेड. हाँ जी
मैम डी ऑप्शन.
मैम wrong. B.
ओके, सो वी हैव 1% फॉर बी एंड
मैम बी. मैम
ओके बी. सो मोस्ट पीपल सपोर्ट
Ma'am,
बी.
sure.
Zurong. All right, we
Ma'am,
can
B.
check. Yes, so you are right. It is wrong. Right, so it is China's first Mars rover, and it has been named after traditional fire god, right, as per an announcement made by the government on April 24th, and it is currently aboard the probe named this, right? जो rover है ना, it is supposed to land on the planet, and it will also move around collecting some samples, right, and it will be sending the data back to the country, and it is aboard किसके गया है, कौन से मतलब which vehicle is carrying it, so that name is Tianwen, right? So a bit difficult name to pronounce, which had entered the Mars orbit on February 24th and will land on the red planet in May to search for evidence of life. So you might have read somewhere कि अभी जो Mars पे evidence of life का बहुत ये चल रहा है, research चल रही है. A lot of countries are sending their own rovers or orbiters to Mars. ठीक है, so China is almost the 8th country to do so. India has already done. Can you name India ने मतलब what was the name of जो हमारा रोवर था, ऑर्बिटर था वैसे वो? हाँ जी, एनी आइडिया? आपने न्यूज में पक्का सुना होगा इंडिया का जो मार्स मिशन था.
मंगलयान.
मंगलयान, वेरी गुड. So you have good memory, right? So here we have the Mars orbiter mission, also called Mangalyaan, right? So from the word Mangal and craft, that is vehicle, So it is a space probe orbiting Mars since 24th September 2014, and it was launched on this date by the Indian Space Research Organization, right? And it is India's first interplanetary mission, and it made it the fourth space agency to achieve Mars orbit, right? So till then, जो रशिया की space agency है, that is Roscosmos, then NASA is, US, then European Space Agency is for the European Union, right? So India was the fourth country to do so, and the first Asian nation to reach the Martian orbit, and the first nation in the world to do so in its maiden attempt, right? तो आपने इसका ये भी सुना होगा कि इट वॉज अ वेरी लो बजट मिशन, कि इतना कम अमाउंट लगा था ना इसको भेजने के लिए. तो एवरीबडी वॉज क्वाइट अप्रिशिएटिव ऑफ इसरो कि इन्होंने कितना अच्छा काम किया विद इन अ वेरी लो बजट. दे मैनेज टू सेंड इट टू मार्स, right? And also another commendable point is that we were able to do it in our first attempt. Otherwise, most countries right before us, Russia, US, and European Space Agency, they failed in their first missions, right? So that was about Indian mission. Also, I wanted to discuss these terms. Lander होता है जो land करता है, right? Rover is which gets off, which is separated from the lander, and it will be moving about on the planet, collecting samples, maybe collecting rock pieces, ठीक है, उन जो planet की crust है उसमें से, या clicking pictures here and there. And orbiter is just this let's say a satellite, or maybe we can call it the spacecraft, which is just going to orbit the particular planetary body, right? So it will just orbit it, take pictures, it won't land there. ठीक है. सो ये सारे मतलब ये टर्म्स होती है हमारी जो स्पेस साइंस में यूज होती है, राइट. देन आई हैव इंक्लूडेड अ लिंक हियर फॉर दिस सेम आर्टिकल जो अभी चाइना का हुआ है. तो इस आर्टिकल में दे हैव आल्सो मेंशन्ड अबाउट व्हिच अदर कंट्रीज हैव ऑलरेडी अटेम्प्टेड द फीट, राइट. सो वी विल जस्ट टेक अ क्विक लुक. Yes, so here we have this. So any of you who keeps interest in these, activities which are taking place related to space science? हाँ जी. Do you keep track of क्या चल रहा है, मतलब कौन सी सैटेलाइट लॉन्च होगी, something like that, or do you find it boring? हाँ जी बच्चे. Any view
मैम
about
बोरिंग
it?
नहीं लगता.
बोरिंग लगती है?
मैम नो मैम बोरिंग नहीं लगता, लेकिन हम इतनी सर्च भी नहीं करते उसके बारे में.
Okay, so it is like once you read it, but ये नहीं है कि आपको मतलब थोड़ा सा पता होगा कि क्या हो रहा है, but you don't go into depth, right? So in case you ever have the time or the patience, तो इसकी live जो launch events होते हैं उनका live telecast भी आ रहा होता है, and that is fascinating to watch. So whenever if you are interested or whenever you find the time, whenever we have the next launch mission, do try to watch it. फिर उससे even if like I am not that interested in science, or I am not even from science background, but I do keep checking कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं, and that is fascinating even for me, right? So live launch events से काफी knowledge मिलती है क्योंकि how it actually takes place, right? So this article tells here that UAE is also sending a mission. China has already sent, US has sent, and May में तो काफी missions होने हैं, right? So this is the UAE's Hope mission, then European Space Agency, ठीक है. And the first missions were launched somewhere back in 1960-62. उस टाइम पे आपको याद होगा रशिया एंड यूएस काफी ज्यादा इनकी कोल्ड वॉर चल रहा था in different dimensions, right? So UK has already achieved this, and now China is the latest country to join the club. So that was all. We are left with less than a minute to go, so I'll stop the screen share here. Right, so in our next class, we'll take up some other topic. In case you have any suggestion, you're most welcome to share it. I was planning to take up something from the static general knowledge as well, right?